Hi, this is Christina on the Cheap. I'm going to reorganize my craft closet. It's getting a little out of hand. I have some old baskets and things like that I'm going to try to organize it in such a way that we can know at the fingertips where everything's at. Now my daughter just took everything out of that closet. It is hard to believe that I had that much in that closet. So I really was pretty organized, so as it is. Holy smokers. And this is what it looks like empty. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like afterwards. I didn't get really rid of a lot of things. I just kind of reorganize it, or if they were supposed to go to like in the garage, like cardboard and stuff, that's what I put it there. But otherwise, it's really not that much of a huge difference. There's a big space here now, which is nice. And I actually used the water jug to put the fake flowers in. So they kind of expand so they're not all smooshed up. Thanks for watching.